Welcome back to Evergreen Tech Tips, your go-to channel for simple and useful tech guides. Today, we're tackling a common Facebook question: how to change your Facebook group from public to private. Whether it's for privacy or better control, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, log into your Facebook account and navigate to the group you want to change. Make sure you're an admin of the group. Only admins can edit these settings. Once you're in the group, look for the More tab under the cover photo. Click it, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Under Privacy, you'll see the current setting, either public or private. Click the drop-down menu and choose Private. Warning pop-up appears. Facebook will warn you that changing to private means only members can see posts. Confirm by clicking Change Privacy. Finally, scroll down and hit Save to apply your changes. That's it. Your group is now private. And that's how easy it is to switch your Facebook group from public to private. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help. See you in the next video. Peace out.